Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing how we can install VSDC Video Editor. It's one of the best free video software. You can download it from videosoftdev.com, as you can see there in the website, and you can download the video editor. So it's almost 84.7 MB and I have already downloaded that file. Click on the file that you have downloaded. Let's minimize the browser window. It's actually, I think it's downloading, or just let me check my gallery download folder if it's downloaded. Okay, fine. Actually, it was downloaded. It was running the application. Now press OK. Click on OK. If you want to change the language, you can change it. A couple of languages are available there. And click on Next. Installation is pretty simple. Just next. That's all. Next again, and it is asking the location. You can choose the default. Everything you can choose the default, unless you want to customize that one. And here, if you want to create icon for both the video capture and screen recorder, you can add it. Along with the software video editor, you are getting option to install the video capture and screen recorder softwares as well. So if you want the icon for that, you can choose that one. Now click on install. It's installing the packages, dependencies, everything. Let's wait for it to finish. So it's creating the registry entries and registering files. Now we have finished the installation. Just click on finish and open the VSDC editor in the desktop. If you didn't find, you can just search on the start for VSDC. You will be able to see that, and you can pin it to desktop. So this is the window, and you can just create a new project by clicking blank project. You can import video directly. This how to do the video editing in this software, I will be discussing in coming videos. So just for example, I'm gonna show you how to insert a picture. Now I have inserted a picture, and you can add a music. I think I don't have any music on my computer, but let me check if I have it on music. No, I'm sorry, I don't have any music on my computer. But videos, I think I have a video on a desktop. Just click on it, and like this you can insert pictures, videos, images, everything, and you can draw on the right side. You can draw the stuff, circle, rectangle, square, whatever you want, and you can organize that one. It's coming like layers actually. And after you have done, you can save the project if you want to resume the project later. If you didn't finish your project, you can save it as I have shown, and you can continue your video editing, and you can export it to video. That's part I will discussing in coming videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Goodbye.